issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Dane County in south-central Wisconsin until 3:15 p.m. At 2:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Middleton, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Middleton, Monona, Cross Plains, Shorewood Hills, Maple Bluff, Pine Bluff, Henry Vila Zoo, Camp Randall Stadium, and Madison. This includes the following location: Wisconsin State Capitol. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.